Welcome back to Tarot Page Philippines. So, this video gawin natin ang energy check para po sa may mga Sun, Moon at Rising na Scorpio. So, kung bago ka, subscribe, like, and share. Ito yung card na gamit natin. Scorpio, your card is the Eight of Swords. May kasabihan strike while the iron is hot. So, you have the idea, you have the plan. Actually, yung mga resources is isa-isa na binibigay sa yung universe. Time for you to rearrange your plans. Medyo ito yung moment na magbabago tayo ng mga schedules natin. I-prioritize mo yung mga ibibigay sa'yo ng universe na openings. Because right now, what I could get here is yung energy ng road opening is upon you. Meaning, lahat ng yung mga daan, yung traffic in terms of opportunities of blessing, nare-remove na siya. Huwag ka mag-hesitate. Take that leap of faith and grab what is in your front na pinipare ng universe sa'yo. Hope nakatulong yung reading. Those are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. Subscribe, like, and share para magkita tayo sa next videos pa.